Hi everyone, Vic Veer here. I'm really excited to say that finally my second batch of Side Sleeping Pro pillows that helps people with their snoring is finally in the country, finally in the warehouse. I got some video footage to prove it here just for you. And you can see that these boxes are now ready to be delivered. Really exciting news. It's going to come out to everyone in the UK. Hopefully it will be available in early next week. We'll be sending also the European, Australia, New Zealand, the American pillows out as well. And there are finally some pillows left over from the second batch to be bought. So if you want to buy them at the current price, I've decided not to change the price because everyone's had to wait so long and all the problems with the American tariffs and everything. So if you want to buy them at the current price rather than when I increase it later on after the first few hundred have been sold, then buy them now before the price goes up. Maybe you can get it before Christmas. If you want some more information about it, look at these videos here, which shows you how to use the pillow. And there's also this video here that you'll see, which shows someone's airway when they're sleeping in the recovery position, because this pillow is meant to help people sleep on their side, but more importantly, sleep in the recovery position, which means that your face is sort of into the pillow so your tongue can roll out the way so you don't snore so much. And some people who have got obstructive sleep apnea, positional obstructive sleep apnea, when they sleep on their side, or even better in the recovery position, their airway opens up so they don't get so many problems like that. So it's sleeping on your side. This doesn't magically fix sleep apnea and things like that. It just helps you sleep in the recovery position comfortably without all the neck ache, your arm going dead and your hip pain, all those sorts of things, and your ear hurting, things like that. If you sleep on your side comfortably, you don't need this pillow. But it's just exciting for all those people out there who want to sleep on their side but physically can't. And yeah, I'm really happy because I've had so many really nice reviews from the people who bought the first few hundred. So if you want to see these reviews, go to iwantgreatsleep.com. You'll see on there the reviews and all these other videos as well. If you want even more information, look in the video description. There is a newsletter there you can look at, and the newsletter will give you every day will give you a little bit more information, the story behind this pillow, how I made it and things like that. And you can go through each day. There'll be a new email that explains how to use it and all the little things about it. And I'm going to keep updating that as time goes on. Thank you again so much. I'm really excited for you all to try it. And if you have any problems with the pillow at all, please email me through the newsletter and I'll explain to you, look, this is what you should try, do this, do that or the other. And hopefully, as time goes on, you'll really get used to it. It takes a few weeks to learn to sleep in a different way. But once you've got into that habit of sleeping in that position, people manage to sleep really well. And I've had, as I said, great reviews about it. And I'm just really, really excited for you to try this pillow. Thank you so much. I'm sorry about the lighting. I just got a bit excited and just made this video quickly. Do take care. Thank you ever so much. Bye-bye.